In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sierra Chart Chartbook. By the end, you'll feel comfortable opening your saved chartbooks and moving between them efficiently, so your workspace is always right where you need it. Think of a chartbook as your trading workspace in a single file. It holds your charts, studies, layouts, and window placements, so you don't have to rebuild anything each time you start a session. When you're ready to load one, head to the main menu at the top of Sierra Chart. Click File, then choose Open Chartbook. This is the standard way to bring an existing setup onto your screen. A file window will appear showing a list of available chartbooks. These files use the .cht extension, which simply means Chartbook. You'll typically see them in your Sierra Chart data folder, especially if you save them there by default. The names in this list usually match what you chose when you saved, so pick the one that best fits what you want to work with. Maybe your futures layout, a stock swing trading template, or a clean testing environment. Once you've identified the chartbook you want, click it to highlight, then click Open. Sierra Chart will load everything inside that chartbook as it was last saved, including chart symbols, timeframes, studies, and window arrangements. If your chartbook is large or includes multiple charts with intensive studies, give it a moment to finish loading. That's normal, and just means it's rebuilding your environment accurately. After it opens, notice that each chartbook appears as a tab across the top or bottom of the workspace, depending on your interface settings. Tabs make it easy to keep multiple chartbooks available at once. To move between them, simply click the tab of the chartbook you want to view. The active tab will be highlighted, so you always know which workspace you're using. This is especially helpful if you separate strategies into different chartbooks, such as one for analysis and another for execution, because you can switch focus without closing anything. As you work, rely on those tabs to keep your flow smooth and organized. Clear, descriptive chartbook names will make switching even faster, and keeping only what you need open helps the platform stay responsive. That's it. Use File. Open Chartbook to load your workspace. Look for the .cht files in your data folder, click Open, and manage your open workspaces with the tabs. With this simple flow, you'll spend less time setting up and more time analyzing the markets.